Google Sheets' Wrap Text feature is great for ensuring that all your data remains visible and well organized within a cell, particularly when the text exceeds the default cell width. As of this video, the default cell width is 100 pixels. The Wrap Text command has 3 options. I have created 3 different text strings below so we can explore how each option works. Let's select the text in cell A3. Next, click the Text Wrapping button on the toolbar. The 3 text wrap options display. I will select Overflow, which enables text to overflow into the next cell. The text string was already overflowing into the next cell by default, so our text remains the same as before. Now let's select the text in cell A5. Once again, click the Text Wrapping button on the toolbar. This time let's choose the Wrap option. The text wraps onto the next line. Moving on, click cell A7 to explore the third text wrap option. Next, click the Text Wrapping button on the toolbar. Finally, let's choose the Clip option. This clips the text off at the cell border. In this lesson, you learned about the Text Wrapping command, including its 3 options.